Stir-fried flat noodles with prawns.
Hello food adventurer! Imagine yourself amidst the vibrant crowds of a Malaysian food market where the scent of assorted spices and the hustle and bustle of eager foodies beckon you closer. Today, I invite you to join me on a journey of flavors as we uncover the secrets of one of Malaysia's most beloved street foods, Char Kway Teow. But here's the twist. We are bringing this culinary delight straight to your kitchen using simple ingredients that you can easily find at your local grocery store, especially at Sydney. So grab your apron and get ready to recreate this magic of flat noodles, Char Kway Teow, where every bite tells a story and every ingredient sings with a flavor. Let's dive in and discover the soul of Malaysia, one delicious dish at a time. Let's get cooking.
First, let's start with the ingredients. You will need fish cake, spring onion, preserved radish, minced garlic, all the different sauces, 2 eggs, fresh flat noodles, 4 prawns, and bean sprout. Last but not least, banana leaves for plating. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a healthy and delicious improvised version of Penang Char Kuey Teow, a beloved Malaysian street food dish. Before you start, first wash and soak the preserved daikon radish separately, then rinse off and chop them slightly for the perfect burst of flavor. Now we heat 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and sesame oil in the frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the 4 large prawns and stir-fry until golden brown. While cooking, let me explain why this dish is called Char Kway Teow. Char Kway Teow translates to stir-fried rice flake noodle in Hokkien, a Chinese dialect commonly spoken in Malaysia. This dish consists of flat rice noodles, which is called Kway Teow, stir-fried over high heat with a combination of ingredients such as prawns, Chinese sausage where I don't really eat that, eggs, bean sprouts, chives that I substitute with spring onion today, seasoned with soy sauce, and other flavorful ingredients. It's typically cooked in a large wok in the street food in Malaysia, which contributes to its characteristic smoky aroma and char flavor. Today, we substitute that with a large pot that you can find in your own kitchen, but with a high heat if necessary. This stir-fried flat noodles is renowned for its rich and savory taste, with each ingredient contributing to its unique flavor profile. It's a really popular street food dish that you can find in any hawker center or restaurant even in Malaysia, and it's really enjoyed by locals and visitors alike for its bold flavors and comforting appeal. So this step that I'm showing you is stir-frying the prawns separately and removing them from the frying pan first. In Char Kway Teow serve a few purposes. First is preventing overcooking, and second, maximizing flavor, and of course, the third one is controlling cooking time. In the nutshell, it is to help maintain their texture, flavor, and overall quality, resulting in a more delicious and satisfying kway teow after that. Stir-fry the prawn until golden brown. Once cooked, remove them from the pan and set aside on the banana leaf plate. Now add the preserved daikon radish, which is we call chai po in Malaysia, that we previously soaked and slightly chopped. Chai po is a traditional ingredient commonly used in Malaysia. It is made from daikon radish that has been salted, fermented, and dried, resulting in a salty and slightly tangy flavor. In our Char Kway Teow, chai po is used to add a unique depth of flavor and texture to the dish. Now let's add on our chopped minced garlic. When stir-fried with garlic and other aromatics, chai po releases its savory and umami-rich taste. enhancing the overall flavor profile of our flat noodles. It also provides a delightful crunch and a subtle tanginess that complements the other ingredients in the kway teow, creating a well-balanced and satisfying experience. If you prefer your chai ball to be more saltier, then you do not need to soak them previously before chopping. Since I do not use any Chinese sausage lachong typically in Penang Char Kuey Teow, I substitute that with the fish cake. Fish cake is a common ingredient that adds authenticity to the dish in Malaysia. It has a mild and slightly sweet taste with hints of seafood flavor. It absorbs the flavor of the other ingredient in this dish. Fish cake also has a tender and slightly chewy texture that adds variety to the dish. When stir-fried with other ingredients, it complements the soft and slippery texture of the rice noodles, the crunch of the bean sprouts, and the savory bite of the prawns later on. Now add on our spring onion. In traditional Penang Char Kuey Teow, normally we using Chinese chive. Today, I replace it with spring green onion because I do not find any chives in my grocery stores. But don't worry, the flavor is still really delicious without the Chinese chive. Push the spring onions and fish cake to the side of the pan. In the center of the pan, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. One tablespoon of dark soya sauce. You can find all these ingredients in any Asian stores in Sydney. Next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce and few drops of fish sauce. Stir fry briefly to combine where you see all the bubbles and smell. Most important tip is turn the heat to high now and add the rice noodles to the pan. This portion of the stir-fry kway teow can serve 3 adults, roughly. Stir-fry everything together until well combined. If you find your noodles is crumpled, what you can do is before stir-frying, rinse it off with some hot water. If you prefer more crunchy rather than soft kway teow, just like me, then do not need to rinse it off with hot water. You can stir fry straight away with high heat in the frying pan. A super hot pan helps prevent the noodles from sticking together and promotes even cooking. Continuously stir the noodles as they cook to prevent them from sticking together. Using a chopstick or any utensil to ensure all the noodles are exposed to the heat of the pan. Of course, if possible, use a wok instead of frying pan, but that's a limitation of my kitchen. That's why I have with a frying pan to fry char kway teow. Now let's add on some sweetness. Few drops of ABC sweet soya sauce, and if the color is not dark enough, you can add on 1 more tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Obviously, if you do not find any sweet sauce, you can replace it with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar can elevate the overall flavor of the dish. Close the lid and open again. Now you can smell the aroma of the char kway teow. Stir fry completely and push the kway teow aside to the pan. Leave it empty in the middle of the frying pan. Crack 2 fresh eggs into the pan. Cover with a lid and let them cook until slightly set. Once slightly set, uncover the pan and use the hot noodles to cover the eggs in the middle. Then scramble them until cooked through. Close the lid again and let it cook through. Now open the lid. Stir fry the fried noodles and push the noodles aside at the pan. That is where the most important step. Now add the bean sprouts to the pan and toast everything together until evenly cooked. Adding bean sprout at the very last step of stir-frying char kway teow serves the several purposes. Obviously to retain crunchiness of the bean sprout, maintaining the vibrant color, and obviously is to prevent overcook. Bean sprouts provide a refreshing and slightly sweet flavor that balances the savory and umami-rich elements of char kway teow. Last but not least, 3 tablespoons of Chinese Shaoxing cooking wine. I love the addition of Chinese Shaoxing cooking wine in stir-fried char kway teow to enhance the flavor, aroma, and texture of the dish, contributing to its delicious and authentic taste typically of Penang Char Kuey Teow. To replicate the smoky flavor of wok fried kway teow in a frying pan, cook the ingredients over high heat, allowing them to caramelize and char slightly while using a combination of soy sauce, dark soy sauce with both depth of flavor. Remove the char kway teow from the heat and transfer it to serving plates lined with our banana leaves. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious char kway teow, seafood fried noodles, and tantalizing blend of flavors and texture that will leave your craving more. Can't believe, isn't it? You can create this healthy, improvised Penang Char Kuey Teow at your home too. Hope you enjoy this healthier improvised version of Penang stir-fried flat noodles char kway teow. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious dish that's packed with flavor and goodness. Leave the comments below to let me know how it turns out from your side. Don't forget to check out the link on the screen and also the links in the description box for more delicious cooking playlists. Recap my recipe, or you can go over to hangary.com for recipe printout. Don't forget to click on the link on the screen to check out my Hakka style stuffed tofu puff. If you appreciate similar content, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.